If you want to open SIM tray on POCO F7 Pro, but you don't have the SIM eject tool, if you don't have the pin, if you lost it by accident, then you can use some other tools that will work as well. For example, you can use a paper clip. You can unbend a small paper clip and use the pointer end to push it into the SIM tray hole, that is this hole over here, because this is the SIM tray, of course. We can also use an earring or piercing jewelry, and a small stud earring with a thin post can fit into the hole. You can also use a safety pin or a mechanical pencil, and a toothpick also works as long as it is a sturdy toothpick, preferably plastic toothpick. You should avoid using too much force in order to prevent damaging the tray or any internal components. If you use, for example, a wooden toothpick, then of course you also need to be careful because you don't want the wood to be left inside the hole. So essentially anything that is strong enough to be pushed into that hole. So if you do this, if you find your tool, then you can just push it in just a little bit with a little bit of force until the SIM tray comes out, and then of course you just use your finger in order to remove the SIM tray completely, insert the SIM card or SIM cards and put it back into its place, and just push it with your finger. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!